Hello, welcome to Translating Sentences into Equations, Part 2, Multi-Step Equations. Letter A says translate the sentence into an equation. Use the variable w for the unknown number. The sentence is 9 times the sum of a number and 2 is 8. So, what we need to look at is our translation. So it says 9 times, well times is multiply, the sum is addition, and it's the sum of a number, so w, and 2 equals 8. So let's kind of work backwards. So it says that all this is equal to 8. But it also says we need to find the sum of a number and 2. Well, that's w and plus 2. Okay, but then it says we have to multiply that by 9. Well, how do we do that? Well, in order to show that we want to do the w plus 2 first, we would put it in parentheses. And then we would put 9. So it says 9 times w plus 2. So because we have to do w plus 2 first, equals 18. Anytime you see the multiplication at the front, use parentheses. Let's look at part B. Translate the difference of a number times 7. The difference of a number times 7 and 2 is equal to 3. Difference means to subtract. A number times 7, so that's multiply. A number is x. Multiply. A number is the letter x, and 2 is equal to 3. So again, on this one, we have to be really careful because it says the difference of a number times 7 and 2. If you don't read this right, you can end up writing it totally wrong. So first we need to figure out a number times 7. So that's 7 times x. The difference of this value and 2, so minus 2, is equal to 3. If we rewrite 7 times x, we could have 7x minus 2 equals 3. Part C says translate twice the sum of a number and 5 equals 7. So equals easy, equals. Twice, that means 2 times. So we're going to do 2 times the sum of a number, and sum means add. A number here is x, and 5 equals 11. Holy cow, so much information. So 2 times, well here I'm going to use parentheses because the multiplication showed up at the front. So I'm going to use parentheses. And instead of writing all, I'm just going to put the parentheses symbols. Okay, so 2 times the sum of a number and 5. So a number is x plus 5. So let's start here, x plus 5. Then 2 times that whole value, and then it equals 7. Part D, translate the sentence into an equation. 8 less than the quotient of a number and 4 is equal to 7. Whoa, quotient, that's a new one. Quotient means to divide. Less means to subtract. Of a number here is b. A number and 4, and is equal to is equal. So 8 less means that it's going to be minus 8. The quotient of a number and 4. So the quotient of a number of 4 is b divided by 4. And for b divided by 4, we're going to use the fraction bar. So b divided by 4 is, and it's 8 less, so minus 8 equals 7. So these ones get a little more tricky. Just be careful and read through them carefully and use your guides that we have in place. Good luck.